Welcome to the Detail Therapy YouTube channel. My name's Jim and I run Jim's Detailing and Valeting based in Ipswich, and that's the business that features in the videos. The YouTube channel was launched 3 years ago and there have now been 100 videos uploaded to it, and this should be video 101. So some basic stats for where the YouTube channel is at the moment in January 2025. There are 1,440 subs. There have been 400,000 views across the whole channel. 17,000 hours of watched footage time. I got monetized January 2024. And throughout the last 12 months, YouTube, through ad revenue, has paid me out a whopping £201.17. So I'll be putting a deposit down on a toy skyline anytime now. This is the space that you know. I've seen a lot in the videos. I'm hoping to get a bit more decoration done this year because it's been very much just a make-do and try and make it usable. I'd quite like to get hold of some local artists to see if we can do some bits on different parts of the walls. I've got some ideas lined up, but if anyone wants to get involved with putting something on the wall, I don't really mind what, but preferably car or detailing related, then let me know and we can get something arranged. There is the potential for someone coming in and joining me soon, so we could be possibly working together, doing some other stuff. We're probably hopefully going to be pushing things like vinyl wrapping, PPF, and he does a lot of window tinting. But that's assuming everything goes to plan. I'm hoping to do a lot more wrapping myself. We're going to get a printer plotter in here so that we can do sticker kits for things and just add some more services really. And if things go to plan, hopefully we'll get busy here and then we'll be able to move up. Other than that, things have been going well, been busy, looking to upgrade what we're doing so we can spend more time in here and less time outside in the cold. Duke's here, he's ready to go as my emotional support dog. You've seen him in the videos, and I think he's fed up of being here already today. It is currently 7 degrees in here, but I've got him sat under the heater, so he's not suffering. I'm looking forward to the new year. Thank you to everyone who's been a customer and subscribers and viewers. I do appreciate it, and hopefully there'll be a lot more to come in the new year. I'm going to try and do a bit more interaction with the camera. I find it very uncomfortable. I've been stood behind that phone for about an hour trying to figure out how I'm going to do this. Hopefully we'll be able to do more to the car. I've got the 350Z ready for wrapping, hopefully, if we can figure out what to do with that. I've also got my B1H Kawasaki Ninja as a little project. We'll be wrapping that up as well, put some cool designs on that, hopefully. And yeah, just try and come up with some cool content for you. So thanks for watching, and we'll see what 2025 brings.